All right, what's going on, tycoons? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at Veracity. You guys know this is one of my favorites. I've been covering this one a lot. And if you're not following me, man, you need to follow me because I'm been giving you guys the truth, okay? So I told you guys originally when we had a left shoulder, a head, and over here I said, hey, if we drop down and bounce up to here, we got a right shoulder. We'll come down to here and fill this head and shoulders, okay? And lo and behold, we did that. All right. And people have been keeping up with it. And now they're in tune. They know that, okay, boom. Well, hey, we went ahead and completed that head and shoulders. Thank you for letting me know about that so I can get out of it. And, I have a whole tutorial going on the Fibonacci's. Okay. So if you look in the background, basically like all these colors and all these support and resistance levels, they're the Fibonacci's. I have a video in the top right hand corner explaining it to make it super simple. Watch that if you don't know. But basically, this right here is the golden pocket. And the golden pocket is known as like the golden ratio. Okay. The reason a lot of people pay attention to it is because this is when something tends to find support and recover and go on a bullish rally. And what do you know? Lo and behold, we came down in here and we wicked down a couple times below it. Okay. Of course, but we found support here in the golden pocket and we have recovered beautifully. Okay. We went from 0.3 0.31, and currently we're at 0.4. Okay, so it's gone up very well. It's doing very well. And if you look, we still look bullish on the chart right now. Crypto in general, a lot of the crypto charts I have been charting, and just stay tuned, guys. I've been telling everybody, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. Okay, because everything has been approaching the golden pocket. And a lot of stuff has been either bouncing right at the top of the golden pocket or falling into the golden pocket and finding support, and everything is recovering. Okay. I am especially bullish on long-term investments with crypto, but I day trade frequently. Okay. I love to day trade. It's one of my favorite things. When you get really good at technical analysis, you'll be able to go to a 5-minute chart, 1-minute chart, 15-minute chart, and you'll be able to make 15, 30, 20-minute trades. Sometimes you can make all your money that you want, because what being successful trader is all about having a goal in mind, right? And being successful is not, oh, hey, I invested that one time and then I made 1000x, or I made 100,000x and I turned 1,000 into a million. No, being a consistent successful trader is knowing, hey, I have $100. I'm gonna turn that into 500 real quick. Or hey, I have $1,000. I'm gonna turn that into $1,200. It depends on what your goals are and what your trading style is and what your risk management is. But that's the key to being successful. I love day trading and I love getting in and out of stuff. And when something is bouncing at a key major support level, that's a great time to get in for a day trade, because okay, hey, well, we're either going to bounce here, right? And hey, if we don't bounce, I have a stop loss on my bullish position. And if we break that bullish position, well, I know that this is a downtrend, so now I'm going to switch my loss that was a bullish position, take that loss and go in heavy on the bearish side, betting that it's going to go down, because hey, now we broke all signs of bullishness. We're in a clear bearish momentum right now. I'm going to go heavy and make back all that money that I lost on the initial way, right? So that's how I want you guys to look at it, because that's how I look at it. You can always make your money back, especially when you're day trading. It's all about trusting the analysis and knowing what you're doing. If you guys need help with setting up some analysis, I have a great tutorial in the top right hand video on how to draw support and demand, or supply, like support and resistance, right? And then I also have a separate video on support and supply and demand. Those two videos will change your trading lifestyle. Okay. That's basically it. Those videos will really, really help you guys out a lot. All right.